What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Short boy bro video. Hope you guys having a great day, great night, good afternoon. I don't know if you guys could tell, but my car is absolutely filthy right now. Sheesh. Yo, what's goody fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Bro VD. Hope you guys having a great day, great night, good afternoon. Now in today's video, I don't really have much planned. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the car cleaned up, wash it up, vacuum it, and get it fully detailed.
I was listening to this song.
A few inches later.
Yo guys, I'm sorry I haven't been uploading as much as I said I would. I'm trying to upload as much as I can. Obviously 3 times a week is getting kind of god damn it. So yeah, uploading 3 videos a week does get kind of stressful, I'm not gonna lie, but it is worth it though. I do get a lot more views and I do respect that from you guys, obviously taking the time out of your guys' day to watch my videos. But yeah guys, right now life has been really stressful for me. A lot of things have been going on in life, so I don't want to talk too much about it just yet guys, but I will keep you guys updated once I get better understanding of what's going on. But yeah, I do have some good news coming very shortly. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, hit that thumbs up for me, drop a comment down below. Oh yeah, my belt.
Good thing it's leather.
Good thing it's Fendi.
Shit to me. Cause we still get them bitches cheap. See a step, 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 yeah, step, step, right, left.
My board's wet.
That's it. He said, "Do you want me to record?" No. It's because it's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. You fuck that.
Look.
I thought that car was about to drop, bro.
Oh, I'm still recording.
They call me Spooky.
So we're about to go to Mexico here. We got Derek out here with the Scat Pack here, 2020 Q60 right here, 2018. And we got the AMG 653. Sheesh.
3 days later.
It's my first time letting her drive the car, guys. Would you guys let your girl drive your Q60? This is the things I do, guys. I'm simping. Jesus. Alright guys, I'm crossing my fingers and I hope my babe doesn't curb bash my wheels right now.
Babe, I'm not going to.
Oh, I know. I'm just saying. I'm just crossing my fingers because, you know. We're not done yet.
Hit that shit, bro.